motorized Roman Shades from Bali. We have all of them programmed together. Everyone, let there be lights. It is on a 16-channel remote, so we programmed it to do them all at the same time, as well as segments. Let's go to that. That's the entire bottom. Then we also have the entire top. That is also awesome. We have just that side. We have just that side. We do have, oh, that's all of those on that side. Get them back up. We have just the doors. Again, awesome. And once more, all of them closed at once. My thanks to everyone who made this possible. This is some really cool stuff.